Welcome guys to another Off-Road Outlaws. Today like I said, we are going to go take the trail truck I made earlier. And we're going to take a friend out with us. So we're going to host a map. We're going to go to custom. We're going to do... We're going to do Blue Holler by Jake Lee. Alright, we're done. Fully loaded in. I'll see y'all there. Oh, hang on, guys. Ooh, I thought I had a sneeze, but I didn't. Let's see if this thing can flex. It can. It's not bad. Let's see if I can. Oh yeah, I can flex pretty good. Alright guys. I don't think I'm gonna be able to make it up this. Yeah, we're not gonna make it up that. See if he can. Oops. Yeah, no. Remember, to go down the classic trail. Ooh, a little wide. This map is pretty cool. It's a lot of detail in it. Is that a road? It is a road. That is pretty neat. I did not know there was a road right there. Ooh. Not sure if I'm gonna make it up this. What am I hitting? It was a rock. It was a green rock I was hitting. Oh, almost stuck. To be honest, guys, I do not know where this leads. I have been on this map before, but I definitely did not see there was a trail there. We have to go over here and then back up. Yep, I definitely had to cheat a little bit. Let's see. Oh, I think I just took us to a spot that we're not going to be able to get out. Oops. I said, guys, I've been on this map, but I've never been on this trail, so I don't know what to expect. Oh, we actually made it through that pretty good. So make sure y'all go and leave this guy a like on his map. I believe I'm stuck. Yes. Ooh, big drop off. And he's going through here like a maniac. Let's put it back in. I want to see what this truck can do. I mean, it went through there like with nothing. Look at his suspension work. Oops, I ran into a tree. Oh, turn? No. Alright, guys, we're gonna keep going through this. Ooh, it's getting tight. It's getting really tight. Ooh, that's a interesting spot. Interesting situation I'm in. Remember, guys, this has no perfect tune, no gearing. It's just suspension and engine mods and body modifications. That's it. We are not going to repair because we're going to make this realistic. I mean, even though we have a repair pack, we just fix up our trucks on the trails. But we are not going to do that until we have to. That was realistic. That was cool. We had to do a little low ride right there. Alright, guys, he had to leave, so it's just gonna be me now. But that's alright. We can do it. Let's just go. Let's go this way. Oh, that's a big drop off. See that? You just gotta let it coast down sometimes. Ooh, that's a big. And then you just let it coast the rest of the way down. Alright, now we're gonna go this way. If I can turn this truck around. So I gotta back up so I can go over these logs. I still don't know where I'm going, guys, so just bear with me. I think I'm going backwards, to be honest. Oh, this is cool. Oh, that is cool. It's like a little cliff. Looks like Russell didn't have a good time down there. Looks like Russell didn't have any steering. Oh, that's a good thumbnail right there, guys. Yeah, that right there looks like a good thumbnail. I might be going backwards, who knows. Ooh, a little challenging right there, guys. If you guys want to see another trailing build, Baja build, whatever kind of build you want, what kind of vehicle you want, just comment down below in the comments and let me know, and I'll make sure it happens. Ooh, look at these cautions. Ooh, there's warning. Ooh, that's steep. Ooh, that's really steep. I don't know if I go down there. I don't know if I can trust my truck going down that. There's only one way to find out, huh? Oh, yeah, I'm not going down that. Not going down that. That's too. No, my truck didn't want to steer. Yeah, we'll go down that some other time. But let's. What is that? Let's just turn our camera around. See where this goes. It's not bad, but I don't know if I'm supposed to go down here. Oh, it's a very narrow road right here. Oh, that's even. Oh, okay. Alright. So you're supposed to go up it. Oh, my truck is definitely not making up that. It almost made it. Just not enough power. I guess we're gonna work our way back to the start. This will be challenging because I don't know where I'm going. Okay, I guess we're going around the rock. Okay. I guess we're going down here. If y'all want to see like any other gaming videos, just let me know. I'll try to do some PUBG videos, Call of Duty videos. Okay, I know where I'm at now. We go this way. Yeah, we go this way to get out. Yeah, I know where I'm at now. This trail rings a bell, because it's the one with the mud. Yeah, sure is. Oh, I wonder if I'm gonna get stuck up here, because it's super tight. So I shouldn't if I go like this. Yeah, there we go. Alright guys, this is gonna be the end of the video. If you like the video, make sure you leave it a like. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting a lot more. Ooh, this ship looks nice right here. Maybe if I oh, there's a truck here. Now this truck I think I can flex on. Oh, that's that bad. I want to flex on this truck. I can't even flex on the rock? Okay. Alright guys, this is gonna be Alright guys, this is gonna be the end of the video today. Make sure you leave a like, comment, tell me what you want to see next. And I'll make sure it happens. Till then, see y'all later.